Have you had people, you've been nice to them, empathetic and all that. I'm sure you've had some that have gone away and never hired you, but have you had some that have come back? Now that they go to other attorneys or they spend some time thinking and they come back to you and, has that happened? And if so, what do people say?
Yeah, I mean that's a good point. I think that's really how the office was built, was off of phone calls like that, where people had cases where I couldn't take the case, but I still listened to them and I gave them the advice or help and information that they were looking for. And they just really had someone that would listen to them. A lot of times people would call and say, well, you know what? I wish you could take my case, but I really thank you for hearing me out and giving me some information, or even just, giving me the number of someone else that could help. It turns out that a lot of attorneys don't even give referrals out to other attorneys that they know that could help, or once they know that they can't take the case, they just either, I mean, I've heard that they just hang up, they just, oh, we can't help, and then hang up, or, just really abrupt action. I mean, I get it. Attorneys are busy and have a lot to do, but at the same time, people are coming to you for help. And when people come to you for help, you have to show up.
I mean, have you seen a significant number of people come back? Maybe some
Oh, right.
changes in
Yeah.
their
Yeah.
circumstance and,
Yeah, absolutely. So the people that I do help by just giving them information, I've had several clients at the beginning where they would say, you know what, I really enjoyed our conversation when I spoke to you. I don't know if you remember, maybe 6 months ago or a year ago, and I saved your number. I saved your number in case I ever needed your help. And you said that you had all accidents, and here I am. I was involved in an accident. So, can you help me out? And that's happened numerous times. So you really have an opportunity with every phone call to make a connection with the person. If you make that connection, then they'll remember you, and then they'll save you into their phone. And then if something does happen to them, they'll give you a call so that they can get the help that they're looking for.
no, that's really great. That's excellent. So you've gotten referral. I mean, you've gotten people coming back after X number of months and now they're hiring you. Have you gotten referrals from it where they told a friend or a family member or someone and that person hired you?
Yeah, that has happened quite a few times as well. They save their number or save our number, and then when someone they know needs help, they say, I spoke to this attorney. He handles accidents. You should give him a call. Person calls and they say, hey, this, so and so gave me your number, and it turned out that we helped them out or just gave them some information, and they're happy to get our services because they know that that I was so helpful on the phone with them when I knew that they didn't have a case that we could take. If it doesn't even lead to a referral or them, calling in for as a client, a lot of times if you just talk to people, hear them out, give them any kind of advice, they're so thankful they want to do something. So then they'll leave a review online or even multiple reviews.